It's simple to feel caught up in a never-ending cycle of struggle in a world that frequently demands limitless work and constant striving. We are inundated with messages all the time telling us that sacrifice is necessary for success, that working hard and being unwaveringly determined are necessary to reach our goals. But what if there was another course, a route where great transformations are achieved with simplicity and effortlessness? Today, we're about to start on a journey of discovery, a journey that will challenge your preconceived notions about personal growth and achievement. We're going to look into a technique that has the power to reshape your life, a technique that has been practiced and refined for centuries by some of the most successful and influential people in history. This isn't about positive thinking or wishful dreaming. It's about understanding the fundamental principles that govern our reality and learning how to harness them to create the life we desire. It's about aligning ourselves with the natural flow of the universe and tapping into our own limitless potential. Imagine a life where attracting abundance, achieving your goals, and experiencing profound joy becomes effortless. Imagine waking up each day with a sense of purpose and excitement, knowing that you have the power to shape your own destiny. This is the life that awaits you when you accept this simple yet powerful technique. This technique isn't some secret reserved for a select few. It's accessible to anyone, regardless of their background, experience, or circumstances. It doesn't require any special skills, expensive tools, or grueling effort. In fact, it's surprisingly simple to implement and can be easily integrated into your daily life. In the next few minutes, we're going to unlock the secrets of this life-changing technique. We'll explore the science behind it, break it down into actionable steps, and share inspiring stories of people who have used it to achieve remarkable results. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to apply this technique to your own life, no matter where you are on your journey. So open your mind and prepare to accept a new way of being. It's time to break free from limitations, step into your power, and create a life that is truly extraordinary. A deep awareness of how everything is interconnected is fundamental to this method. The study of the fundamental particles of the world, known as quantum physics, has shown that everything is composed of energy vibrating at various frequencies. This encompasses our feelings, ideas, and convictions. We can increase our vibratory frequency and draw more pleasant experiences into our life by concentrating on happy ideas and feelings. On the other hand, when we focus on the negative, we become less positive and draw in more negative energy. Think of it like a radio. If you tune your radio to a certain station, you'll hear the music that's being broadcast on that frequency. Similarly, when you tune your mind to a certain frequency, you'll experience the events and circumstances that match that frequency. The key is to become aware of your thoughts and emotions and consciously choose to focus on those that align with your desired outcomes. This isn't just New Age philosophy, it's backed by scientific research. Studies have shown that positive emotions like gratitude, joy, and love have a measurable impact on our physical and mental well-being. They strengthen our immune system, improve our cardiovascular health, and enhance our cognitive function. Negative emotions, on the other hand, have been linked to a wide range of health problems, including stress, anxiety, and depression. By learning to manage our thoughts and emotions, we can create a ripple effect that extends far beyond our individual lives. We can influence the people around us, our communities, and even the world at large. When we radiate positivity and love, we inspire others to do the same. We create a more harmonious and fulfilling existence for ourselves and everyone we encounter. Now let's explore the practical steps you can take to implement this technique in your own life. It all begins with awareness. Start paying attention to your thoughts and emotions throughout the day. Notice when you're feeling stressed, anxious, or frustrated, and gently shift your focus to something more positive. This could be a happy memory, a gratitude practice, or simply a few deep breaths. Next, cultivate a habit of gratitude. Take a few minutes each day to reflect on the things you're grateful for. This could be your health, your loved ones, your home, or even the simple pleasures of life. Gratitude is a powerful emotion that raises your vibrational frequency and attracts more abundance into your life. Another powerful tool is visualization. Take some time each day to visualize your desired outcomes as if they have already happened. Create a vivid mental picture of yourself achieving your goals, experiencing success, and living the life you dream of. Feel the emotions associated with those outcomes as if they were real. This will send a powerful signal to the universe and help you attract those experiences into your reality. Practice affirmations. These are positive statements that you repeat to yourself regularly. Choose affirmations that resonate with you and your goals. For example, if you want to attract more abundance, you might repeat, "I am open and receptive to all the good that the universe has to offer." If you want to improve your health, you might say, "I am healthy, vibrant, and full of energy." The key is to believe in the affirmations you're saying and feel the emotions associated with them. Remember, this technique is not about denying or suppressing negative emotions. It's about acknowledging them, allowing them to flow through you, and then consciously choosing to focus on more positive ones. It's about creating a new habit of thought and emotion, one that aligns with your deepest desires and highest potential. But don't just take my word for it. Let's hear from some people who have used this technique to transform their lives. Sarah, a single mother of two, was struggling to make ends meet and felt overwhelmed by the challenges of raising her children alone. She decided to try this technique and began practicing gratitude, visualization, and affirmations. Within a few weeks, she noticed a shift in her mindset. She started feeling more positive and hopeful about the future. Opportunities began to present themselves, and she was able to land a better paying job. Her relationship with her children improved, and she felt a renewed sense of purpose and fulfillment in her life. John, a successful entrepreneur, was feeling burned out and disconnected from his passion. He had achieved great financial success, but he felt empty and unfulfilled. He decided to apply this technique to his life and began meditating, practicing mindfulness, and focusing on his inner well-being. He gradually rediscovered his passion for his work and started feeling more energized and engaged. He also found new ways to give back to his community and make a positive impact on the world. These are just two examples of the countless lives that have been transformed by this simple yet profound technique. The stories are as diverse as the individuals who accept it, but the underlying message is the same. We have the power to shape our own reality through our thoughts, emotions, and beliefs. Now, you might be thinking, this all sounds great, but what if I don't believe it will work for me? That's a perfectly natural response. We've been conditioned to believe that change is difficult, that we have to work hard and sacrifice to get what we want. But the truth is, resistance to change is often rooted in fear. We fear the unknown, we fear failure, and we fear losing what we have. When we accept this technique, we open ourselves up to a world of possibilities. We release the need to control every aspect of our lives and trust in the flow of the universe. We allow ourselves to be guided by our intuition and to take inspired action. We let go of limiting beliefs and step into our true power. The beauty of this technique is that it works whether you believe in it or not. It's like gravity. It exists whether you acknowledge it or not. But when you do acknowledge it and start working with it, you can achieve extraordinary things. You can overcome obstacles that once seemed insurmountable. You can attract abundance and prosperity, and you can create a life that is truly fulfilling. So if you're ready to let go of doubt and accept the power of possibility, take a deep breath and affirm to yourself, I am open to receiving all the good that the universe has to offer. Say it with conviction, feel it in your heart, and watch as your life begins to transform before your very eyes. If any of this resonates with you, if you feel a stirring within that tells you there's more to life than struggle and striving, then I invite you to take a leap of faith. Look into this technique, explore its many facets, and discover the profound impact it can have on your life. There are countless resources available to help you on your journey. Books, articles, courses, and workshops can provide you with additional insights and guidance. Connect with like-minded individuals who are also exploring this path. Share your experiences, ask questions, and support each other on your journeys of transformation. Remember, this is not a one-size-fits-all approach. Experiment with different practices and find what works best for you. Some people find meditation to be a powerful tool for cultivating awareness and inner peace. Others find solace in spending time in nature or engaging in creative activities. The key is to find practices that resonate with you and that you can incorporate into your daily routine. As you begin to integrate this technique into your life, you may encounter obstacles or setbacks. Don't get discouraged. These are simply opportunities for growth and learning. Accept the challenges, learn from your mistakes, and keep moving forward. Remember, the journey is just as important as the destination. Now that you have a basic understanding of this technique and its potential to transform your life, I want to address some common questions and concerns you may have. You may be wondering, how long will it take to see results? The truth is, there's no definitive answer. For some people, the changes may be immediate and dramatic. For others, it may take weeks or even months to see significant shifts. The key is to be patient and persistent, trust in the process, and keep practicing the techniques consistently. You may also be wondering, is this technique only for certain types of people? Absolutely not. This technique is for anyone who is open to change and willing to take responsibility for their own life. It doesn't matter what your background is, what your current circumstances are, or what your goals are. This technique can help you achieve them all. Perhaps the most common objection to this technique is the fear of losing control. We're so used to striving and pushing that the idea of letting go and allowing things to unfold naturally can feel unsettling. But the truth is, trying to control everything is exhausting and often counterproductive. When we surrender to the flow of life, we open ourselves up to unexpected opportunities and possibilities. We tap into a deeper wisdom that guides us towards our highest good. Letting go doesn't mean giving up or becoming passive. It means trusting in the universe and in our own inner guidance. It means taking inspired action and allowing things to unfold in their own time. When we release the need to control, we create space for miracles to happen. Now let's look a little deeper into some of the more advanced applications of this technique. While the basic principles are simple, there are many ways to explore and expand upon them. For those who are seeking a deeper level of transformation, consider exploring practices like meditation, mindfulness, and energy healing. These practices can help you connect with your inner self, release limiting beliefs, and raise your vibrational frequency even further. Meditation is a powerful tool for calming the mind, reducing stress, and cultivating inner peace. By focusing on your breath or a mantra, you can quiet the chatter of your thoughts and connect with a deeper sense of awareness. Mindfulness is the practice of being present in the moment without judgment. It allows you to fully experience the richness of life and to appreciate the simple joys that often go unnoticed. Energy healing modalities like Reiki can help to clear blockages in your energy field and promote healing on all levels, physical, emotional, and spiritual. The path of transformation is not always easy. You may encounter resistance from your own mind, from the people around you, or from external circumstances, and you may experience setbacks and challenges along the way. But remember, these obstacles are simply opportunities for growth. They are a test of your commitment to this new way of being. When you encounter resistance, take a deep breath and remember your why. Why are you choosing this path? What are you hoping to achieve? Reconnect with your vision for the future and let that vision guide you through the tough times. Surround yourself with people who support your growth and who believe in your potential. Seek out mentors and coaches who can offer guidance and encouragement. Join communities of like-minded individuals who are also on a path of transformation. Together, you can create a powerful force for positive change in the world. Remember, the power to transform your life lies within you. You have the ability to choose your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs. You have the ability to create your own reality. Accept this technique and you will unlock your hidden potential, break free from limitations, and create a life that is beyond your wildest dreams. Now, I invite you to take action. Don't just watch this video and move on. Choose one of the practices we've discussed and commit to implementing it in your life. Start with small steps and gradually build from there. Be patient with yourself and celebrate your successes along the way. Most importantly, have fun with it. This journey of transformation is meant to be joyful and fulfilling, so accept the adventure and let your inner light shine.